Hi, I want to talk to you about the library created in my literacy class. The questions that I was asked to answer were, what did you learn about libraries and literacy from completing this assignment? Well, I learned that there's a lot of aspects that go into arranging a library. When I first visited the library, I noticed that the children had different sections for it depends on depending on age. I noticed that with the little kids, the books are really low and they were able to reach them, and they had a lot of colors, and it's just it was just really for them. The children didn't have um, anything not meant for their age range. And then also for the older kids, it was the shelves were at their level and they could reach them, and they didn't have any issues with that, and it was really meant for um their age also. The next question was, what was my perception of libraries after completing this assignment? My perception was definitely changed because I learned that they're definitely they have to think about what they put into their libraries. Whatever they put on the shelves, it has to be meant for different age ranges, and it has to be arranged according to their what they're able to handle. Um, there's also a lot more. There's a lot of details that the designers of libraries they have to put into them. The next one was, what was most important to me when I was creating this library, and I feel that the most important aspects that I put into my library was making sure that the library had the aspects of sorry the aspect was the having to make sure that the library's sections were child friendly. Definitely having the younger ones more bright and colorful, and having the shelves low, and having, a lot of comfortable seating that was low for the children. And then also for the older children, having the posters and everything that were more geared towards their age, because you don't want to have something that's not going to appeal to them. And then the last part was my role in contributing to literacy in my community. I myself have children, so I have to make sure that they learn how to read, and making sure that they enjoy reading, and finding ways to make sure they do enjoy reading. And then as a future educator, I will make sure that I include in my classroom books of all kinds, and definitely the different genres, and having posters that encourage reading, and making sure that they know that reading is very important and it should be important in their lives. So I really enjoyed making this library, and I really think I learned a lot through the process. And thank you. Have a good day.